Welcome to this exciting iMOOC course accompanying the Molecular Biology 2 laboratory. We are happy to have you join us as we explore key techniques in molecular biology, which are essential skills in industry and academia. Throughout this course, you will learn how to clone a particular gene using PCR, overexpress and specifically detect gene products on the RNA and protein levels. Additionally, we will cover phages as an alternative method to transfer genes. To follow this course, it is helpful to have previous basic knowledge on concepts of molecular biology and gene technology.
My name is Jelena, and I will guide you through cloning techniques, competence cells, and Northern blot.
My name is Jasmin, and I will introduce you to screening and selection principles, protein expression and protein analysis in the form of SDS-PAGE and Western blot.
My name is Daniel, and I will introduce you to bacteriophages as tool for gene transfer and enzymatic assays. After this course, you will be able to understand and execute some basic molecular biological techniques. The course is separated into 5 units. After each educational unit, you have to finish a quiz for successful completion. We encourage you to fully engage with the course materials and participate in discussions.